Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've been cooking lots of food all at once to save electricity. This is my version of batch cooking where I fill my little oven at the top here as much as I possibly can so that I get the most of the electricity that's used in the oven, because the energy prices are expensive here in the UK and are about to go up again in October. So what have I made? I've just chopped up some sausages, cut them into little pieces. I cut some sweet corn in half and put some butter on. I just use these old pie trays from like apple pie that you get in the supermarket. I've cooked 2 big potatoes. I've made some chicken drumsticks with a curry type sauce, homemade sauce. I've cooked a couple of spicy beef burgers, and I've made a sausage and veggie tray bake. All I did was put a dash of olive oil all over, some basil and some dried garlic, and the sausages were mixed with the veggies that I had in the fridge. So it was a courgette, half a yellow pepper, a full red pepper and 2 teeny tiny onions. So I've just mixed them all together. You don't have to have the sausages, it's just that I had a packet of sausages that had 12 in them, so I thought, right, I'll use it up. Because I've had me fill of chicken lately, because we've had some reduced chicken from Asda over the last few weeks, and I got sausages because I just needed a break from the chicken and I wanted some mostly veggie things to eat. So I did the sweet corn and the potatoes as well. So my son will yum the beef burgers on buns and he'll eat probably most of this chicken as well. So what we do is we have a meal that's warm one day, and then for the next day we'll have it either with some salad or with the baked potatoes, or because I didn't have enough room we might throw a garlic bread baguette into the air fryer just to bulk it out a bit. So let me know what you do to save electricity. Do you cook lots of things all at once? Do you do your version of batch cooking? This is mine. I don't like to make just one big lot of one thing, because I'd rather have a variety, and then we just help ourselves to the bits that we like. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and please like, share and subscribe. Oh look, I can't even say it. Subscribe in the comments below, and if you could be so kind, could you drop me a comment, because that lets the YouTube algorithm know that you're engaging with me and that I actually exist. So bye for now, and thanks so much for watching.